Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to Tripod Study Center. We are today doing a very important topic here, MCQ. MCQ question for a class 8 science chapter reproduction in animal for the CBSE NCERT text basis here. That's important, which will be very important for the exam point of view, and it will be important for the competitive exam also. Let's see what is our topic today? Today we discussion most important chapter here, class 8 CBSE NCERT science here. The chapter here, reproduction in animal. That's important chapter. And here Tripan Study Center doing here a most important MCQ question here. That's important and important also for the competitive exam here. Let's see question here. On question on your screen, question is the most important here. Viperous organism are the ones which, you know that is question is very important. The viperous organism are the ones of which, that's important. The option here, produce a eggs, B, produce a young one, C, both 1 and 2. And reason none of these. Question is very interesting here. But first of all, you check your knowledge and give a correct answer for this question. And also write the correct answer for your notebook. You know that you must have a thought of your answer and also write the question. Let's see. Check the correct answer for this question. Question is clear here. The viperous organism are the one which, you know that produce egg. I have know that produce egg, viverous organism does not produce egg. It means the A option is here wrong. Yani rejected is a produce a egg. A option is reject. It means to here C option also reject and D option also reject. There is only as a reminder is one option B. So here B, produce a young one. That is the correct answer here. You know that the produce a young one, option B is correct for this question. Viverous organism are the one which is the produce young one. B option is correct. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. Cloning is made of cloning is the most important here. There is the option sexual reproduction, B asexual reproduction, C both 1 and 2, and this none of this. Question is very interesting. Cloning is a mode of, you know that that's an important question, but first of all you check a knowledge and write the correct answer for your notebook. That's important here. You know that you must have a write the correct answer for your notebook. Let's see. Check the correct answer for this question. Question is clear here. A cloning is a mode of. You know that cloning is here a different method of reproduction here. It means the sexual reproduction is option is rejected here. Because there is a sexual reproduction, there is a not a important here. It means to A option is rejected. It means to the C options and D options also rejected here. It means to the option B is correct. The cloning is a mode of sexual reproduction. The cloning is the mode of asexual reproduction. It means to the B option is correct here. The B option is correct. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. Animals exhibiting external fertilization. You know that animal exhibiting of external fertilization produce a large number of gametes. That's important question here. And pick the appreciate reason from this following. You know that that's important. The animal of fertilization produce a large number of gametes. That's important here. Option A, the animals are small in a size and want to produce a more offspring here. And B, food is available in the plenty in water. And C, to ensure better chance of fertilization. And D, water promotes production of large number of gamete. You know that is a question is very interesting. But first of all, you check our knowledge and write the give answer for correct answer of this question here. You know that you must have write the correct answer for your notebook. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question is clear here and very interesting also. Animal is visiting external fertilization, not a internal. Internal means there is under a body, but external they're outside of body. That's important. You know that external fertilization is a animals that take place here. External fertilization produce a large number of gametes. Pick the appropriate reason from the following. That's important. First options here, the animals are small in a size and want to produce more offspring. You know that the animals are small in size and want to produce more offspring. That is not a correct answer of this question. Next here, food is available is a plenty in water. No way. That's a nothing is a right as a statement of this question. It means to the B option here rejected. The C to ensure better chance of fertilization. You know that there is sufficient answer to this question. It means to C option is correct. To ensure better chance of fertilization, option C is correct for this question. That's important. And let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. Sets of reproductive terms are given below. Set of reproductive terms are given below. Choose the set that has an incorrect combination. You know that this is an important question here. Here examiner asks the question, there is a set has an incorrect combination, not a correct, incorrect combination. That's important for the exam point of view. You know that a first year sperm, testis, sperm duct and penis, and B is a maturations, egg, oviduct and uterus. C is a sperm, oviduct, egg, uterus, and D evolutions, egg, oviduct, uterus. That's an important question. But first of all, write the correct answer for your notebook firstly and check your knowledge. That is important. And I give you few seconds for here. You know that. Write the correct answer for notebook. Let's see. Check this question for the answer here. Question is very interesting. Sets of reproductive terms are given below. Choose the set that has an incorrect combination. You know that here option is 3 is a correct combination, but one combination is here wrong. I have only this incorrect combination is a find out. That's important. That's as the first option is sperm. There is a produced by testis, and testis there is a sperm duct and there is a penis. You know that is here series penis, sperm duct, testis is a producer sperm. It means to the here a right combination. That is the correct combination. Penis, there is a backside here penis. Penis is there is a sperm duct. There is a testis is a producer sperm, which means to the is a right answer. This is a correct statement here. And B here maturations. Maturation is a producer egg, and egg producer oviduct and the uterus. It means to the B option is also is correct here. There is a but examiner asks here incorrect combination. You know that 2 is a correct combination, but examiner asks here incorrect combination. That's important here. And third here is sperm, oviduct, egg, uterus. That is a different here. But let's see check a D option. The ovulations, egg, oviduct, uterus. That is a correct statement here. It means to the D options, A option, B option rejected here. But C is here very different. Is here sperm, oviduct, egg, uterus. This is not a combination. It means to the here C option is correct. It means the set that has an incorrect combination is a C. There is examiner ask you a question, incorrect combination. C is a incorrect combination. It means the C option is right here. C option is right. Let's see next questions here. Next question on your screen. Question here, which of the following show the external fertilization? You know that first of all you understand what is external fertilization. External fertilization means there is a note in the body of fertilization, the outside the body fertilization. That's important. The option here: A frog, B human beings, C cow, D hen. That's important. That's important for the exam point of view. You know that first of all, you check a correct answer for this question and write the notebook a correct answer here. That's important. You must have write the correct answer for your notebook. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question is clear. Which of the following show the external fertilization? Hen hair is the fertilization under of the body. It means to the fertilization is the egg giving the fertilized egg. It means to the hen is not a here external fertilization. Cow is also is a both a young one. It means to the cow is not a is a fertilization is a external. It means the C options also is a rejected here. And B human beings. Human beings is also is a giving to the young one child. It means to here external fertilization nothing here. The human beings, cow, ham, there is a fertilization, internal fertilization. It means the option is A is correct here. A is correct. Frog here, external fertilization. The frog is giving to the eggs on the water, and the female has the fuse of and sperm. That's important. It means to the A option is correct here. A option is correct. There is a show the external fertilization in a frog. That's important. And let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here, which is not a biporous animal? You know that is a question is very interesting. Which is not a biporous animal? A human being, B cow, C dog, D butterfly. You know that a biporous animal, that's some very interesting here. But first of all, you give a correct answer for this question and also write the correct answer for your notebook. That's important. And you must have a thought of your answer. Let's see. Check the correct answer for this question. Question is clear here. Which is not a biporous animal? A human beings, they show the biporous here. It means to here A is a wrong statement here. C, there is a B, there is a B, C, there is a nothing is a biporous here. It means there is a biporous animal. Humans, cow, D is a biporous animal. It means the A, B, C is rejected here. But D, butterfly, there is a biporous animal here. That's important. The option is D is correct for this question. Next question on your screen. Question here. The animal that produce a new young one is called. The animal that produce new young one is called A. Biprous animal, B. Oviparous animal, C. Both, D. None of these. Question is very interesting, but first of all, you check a correct answer of this question because you are important. You know that is most of a thought of your answer. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question is clear. The animals that produce a new young one are called. You know that you have already understand the biphorus there is a both a new young one. It means to the A option is correct. A option is correct for this question. That's important. A is a biphorus is there is a most important options for the A. Let's see. Check the next question here. You know that next question on your screen. Question here. In humans, the development of fertilized egg take a place in the, you know that the human beings, their development of fertilized egg take place in here. A ovary, B oviduct, C testis, D uterus. You know that C testis, that's nothing here. The human development fertilized egg take place in there. That's important. You know that is a question is very interesting. But first of all, you check a correct answer for this question. I give you few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see, check the correct answer of this question. Question is clear. In humans, the development of fertilized egg take place in A option is ovary. You know that there is a ovary is not a take place here. It means A option is a false. B oviduct. B oviduct. There is also here a false. C testis. I already asked that test is nothing here. It means A, B, C is here. Not a correct answer of this question. It means D question is correct for this answer. That's important. Uterus. In humans, the development of fertilized egg take place in a uterus. It means the D option is correct. D option, uterus, is correct answer for this question. Let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. Egg are formed in. Egg are formed in the A. testis, B. penis, C. ovary, D. none of these. That's important. The egg formation is the female. Female, that's important. There is a eggs are formed in. That's the question asked the examiner. You know that first of all you check a correct answer for this question and write the correct answer for your notebook. That's important. You know that you write the correct answer for the notebook. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question is clear. Egg are formed in the A. testis. There's not a testis the egg formation. Testis is the formation of a sperm. It means the A option is wrong here. B. penis. Penis here a root for the pass of out of the sperm. It means the B option is wrong. It means to B option is incorrect here. That is option C, ovary. You know that C, ovary. Yes, it is a correct answer. Egg are formed in there is a ovary. C is correct for this question. That's important. And let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. The how many modes of reproduction are there in the animal? You know that is a question is very interesting. How many modes of reproduction are there in the animal? A. 1 types, B. 2 types, C. 3 types, D. 4 types. Question is very interesting. But first of all, you check a correct answer for this question and write the correct answer for your notebook. You know that. Write the correct answer of the notebook. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question is clear. How many modes of reproduction are there in the animal? You know that animal reproduction here, sexual or sexual. 2 types here. It means to the B option is correct. B option is correct for this question. Animal, there is a 2 types of reproduction on there here. That's important. Option B, 2 types. That's important. And let's see next question here. Next question on your screen. Question here. The cell formed after the fertilization is called. The cell formed after the fertilization is called A. embryo, B. fetus, C. zygote, D. egg. You know that is a question is very interesting for the exam point of view. The question is interesting. But first of all, you give a correct answer and write the correct answer for your notebook. You know that you must have a thought of your answer. Let's see. Check the correct answer of this question. Question is clear. The cell formed after the fertilization is called. Know that embryos. No, embryos is a development children here. Embryo is a development here, and fetus is also is a advanced development. Embryo is a small stage, but fetus is a development stage. But zygote, that is the correct answer. Zygotes, it means the fertilization time. There is a second stage. It is a zygote. C option is correct for this question. The cell formed after fertilization is called zygote. Zygote is the most important answer for this question. C option is correct here. This topic was till this. We will be do their next topic in the next part. If you like it, then please like, share, subscribe, and share the video as a much as a possible. Do not think subscribe and save in your mobile. Thank you.